Hello friends, what's up? This is Bharat Ahuja and you are on the with Tech. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and hit that bell icon to get notified about my future videos. So today we are going to talk about IP camera. So watch the video till the end. And if you like the video, hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And if you don't like this video, you can give me a thumbs down, but share your comments and feedback for my future improvements. So let's see what's in the box today. So let's go ahead and review today's product. This is an IP camera. The brand is called FreeHome, and this is a security camera with 3 megapixel camera, which is like 2304 by 1296p. So this is a home IP Wi-Fi camera for indoor use with two-way audio and motion detection. It has AI mobile tracking. It has 32 feet of night vision, wireless surveillance camera system for pets, babies, elders, dogs, like monitoring and etc. It also has a memory card slot where you can install a micro SD card. So let's go ahead and review it. So this product sells for $49.99 on Amazon in Canada while we speak. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So this comes with a cable with micro USB on one side and a USB-A port on another side. It has a LAN cable with RJ45 ports on both the sides. It has a mount where you can install the camera and maybe put it on the wall. It has 2 screw holes with 2 screws and the kit. And let's see what else does it have in the box. So we get a user manual. So that's a user manual on how to install the camera. So it does have LAN capability as well as Wi-Fi capability. It can connect to your Wi-Fi network. So you need the FreeHome app installed on the phone. And with that app you can go ahead and connect the phone with the camera and make the camera connect to your Wi-Fi network. So once you have the app installed, you can scan the QR code from here and connect it to your app and then make it available on the network. So all you need to do is follow the instructions, and let's look at the product. So that's the camera packed nicely. So the camera has a Wi-Fi antenna, a LAN cable port, a 5-volt micro USB point and a reset button. At the bottom it does have this groove for a tripod stand where you can connect the mount. So you can connect the camera to the mount and set it to your preferred angle. So this goes to the wall and then you can have the camera pointing to whatever direction you like. So we'll check connecting it to the network and install it, and then we'll review how it works. But as the product says, it has a night vision, it has motion detection, and it has a smartphone app connection where you can speak both ways. So that's the IP camera. So that was the unboxing part of the video. Let's now jump to the review where I have used this product for a few days and collected some reviews. So I've used this IP camera for a few days, and after using it I put it back in the box. Few things to note about this is you need the memory card separately. It doesn't come in the box. It does support Wi-Fi, so you can connect it without a LAN cable. So this is where you put the memory card. Just be careful because when I was inserting the memory card here, the memory card fell in the camera and I ended up opening the whole piece, which took me 5 to 6 hours. But if you are careful with the memory card, it's very straightforward installation. All you do is put the memory card in, connect it to the power source and connect it on your Wi-Fi network. The Amazon description has the link on how to install and configure this camera. This works pretty well. It has an app that you can install on your phone and control it from your phone. You can choose the direction of the camera, you can choose the angle of the camera, you can speak through the camera. So let's turn it on. So this is the power button which you press to turn it on, and the camera is now on. The app is called FreeHome on your phone. So you turn on the camera. This does have a night mode. It will detect. This will detect if your camera has enough light visibility or not. As you can see right now, the camera is turning down and it's setting an angle there. Right now this is all set. So all you do is look at the camera from your phone. So to connect, you scan the device code. So that's how you start recording. So I can hear my own voice in the camera. Right now it's pointing up. So let's move it down. And as you can see, the camera angle is changing. This can look at my hand. Hello. Hello. So as you can see, it's reading my hand. I can change the app to look up on my lights and make it look down, turn in any direction I want, and I can hear the camera's voice in my phone. So this is amazing. I can have it in my home and monitor it from anywhere, and it can also record the videos on demand. So just wanted to add that feature details to the review. If you buy this, let me know how you find it. Is it good? Is it bad? Let me know your comments. So that's my review on the Shree Home IP camera, the Wi-Fi camera, and I like it. If you're looking to buy this product, the link is down there in the video description. Consider clicking that link so that Amazon can give me some affiliate references. So question of the day, how did you find this video? Was it exceeding your expectation, met expectation, or was it below expectation? Please share your comments down below in this video and let me know your feedback for my future improvements. So hope to see you again in my some other video. Till then, goodbye.